Alright, in this video we will look at solving linear inequalities. So inequalities or solving inequalities, first of all, inequality has the symbols less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, okay? And then when we're solving them, we solve them similarly to how we do equations. But then in this question, it's asking us to follow the steps and then see which step has the incorrect step in it, okay? So if we go through each of the line, first of all, when you see parentheses, you need to go ahead and distribute. To get rid of the parentheses, we'll go ahead and distribute the -3. So -3 times x is -3x, and then -3 times -5 is +15. So this step, and then everything else comes down, this step looks good. Next thing is we want to go ahead and combine the like terms. So the like terms are 2 and 15, so 2 plus 15 is 17. Copy everything else down. This step also looks good. So far so good. The next thing is we want to go ahead and move the, okay, it looks like they're moving the 17 over, so you would take away the 17 on both sides, and then so -8 minus 17, let me just check it in Desmos, -8 minus 17 is -25. Yep, that part also looks good. Just copy everything else down. And then looks like the next thing is we want to take the 2x over, subtract the 2x. So -3 minus 2 is -5. Copy down the -25. That looks good. Then there must be something wrong in this step over here. Let's see. So to get x by itself, we need to go ahead and divide both sides by a -5. Okay, and then you copy this down, and this step is incorrect, because one thing you have to remember is when you're dividing by a negative, you have to flip the sign. Okay, dividing by negative, you have to change the sign. So actually my answer would be x less than 5. Okay, so there is something incorrect in step 5 in this. Okay, I do want to take a moment to kind of look at just this and see how this is the right answer. We can do this using Desmos. So let me go ahead and bring up Desmos. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and copy the whole thing down, and let's see if it graphs the thing. We're going to do this, put greater than 2x minus 8. And then look on here, the way Desmos graphs the solution is you have the 5, which we have the 5, but notice that it is going less than 5, x is less than 5. That's how you can also check. But in this particular question, it's asking you to find where the mistake is. So we kind of did have to go through each step. All right. So let's see which value of x makes the inequality true. I'm going to go ahead and try this one in Desmos first, and then maybe we can go through the steps. But let me type this up in Desmos, and -3 x plus 1 is less than or equal to 15. So right here, looks like it's going off to the right. So I would, and then also notice that there's a solid line here. So it's going to be x. If I were to take Desmos and write my answer, so this is going to be x, since it's going off to the right, greater than or equal to -6. Okay, x greater than or equal to -6. And so that's pretty much how we can do the rest of these problems. I will just graph it in Desmos and then just go from there. Okay. Right here you have 3x plus 7 less than 8, and then just gonna zoom in. says 0.33, so and it's less than x less than right here, it's going to be b, and then 0.3 will be 1 over 3. Okay, so there you go. There's a few more pages here. You can just go ahead and practice this. I would just put them all in decimals, and then yeah, thank you.